Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start Surah Al-Lahab. So I will read first, you have to repeat after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Surah Al-Lahab مكية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. So in the tabbat there is ta in the end, and when you say this ta letter you will continue your breath. At that time the sound comes tabbat. So that is the quality of this letter, which is called al-hams. The next yada, here is mad sign on the alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha, that's why this is alif madda, and there is a mad sign also. So this mad is basically madde munfasil, because after the madda letter the hamza is coming in the beginning of the next letter. That's why this mad is called madde munfasil. If after madda letters, if you find hamza in the beginning of the next word, at that time we make madde munfasil. So we say yada abi. Almost we long 3 to 4 seconds. So B, here is ya madda. Ya has a sukun sign, there is kasra before. We long here abi lahabiyun. After the tanween there is waw. So we make idgham with ghunna. As after the tanween the next letter is waw, which is one of the from yarmalun letters. That's why we make idgham with ghunna here. And on the last letter we make qalqala, and this qalqala will be strongest qalqala. Okay, when qalqala letters come with shad sign on it and you want to stop there, at that time you will make strongest qalqala. So we say watab. Tabbat yada abi lahabin watab. Tabbat yada abi lahabin watab. Ma aghna anhu maluhu wama kasab. On the ma there is alif madda. After the fatha the alif is coming there, and on the alif you can see there is mad sign, which is madde munfasil. After the madda letter, if hamza comes in the beginning of the next word, at that time we say there is madde munfasil, which we long 3 to 4 seconds. Ghain we read in heavy sound. Noon we long due to standing fatha on it. So we say ma aghna anhu. Here is noon sakin is coming. After the noon sakin there is throttle letter, which is ha. So we make is ha there. We make the clear sound of noon into our nose as we say anhu. Clear sound meaning is don't make ghunna. Okay, so we say anhu Ma we long due to alif madda, hu we long due to standing the ma on the ha, maluhu. Wama, again alif madda is there, kasab. On the ba we make qalqala and it will be strong qalqala. So we say wama kasab. Now we say all together. Ma aghna anhu maluhu wama kasab. Sayasla naran zata lahab. On the scene we make the whistling sound. On the sword we read in heavy sound and also whistling sound, sayos. So make sure to read separate sound in the scene and in the sword. Lam we long due to standing fatha on it. Noon we long, here is alif madda. Ra, after the tanween there is zal, which is one of the from ikhfa letter. So that's why we make ikhfa sound here. We hide the sound of noon. So we say naranza. So zal we long due to alif madda. Lahab we make qalqala again. It will be strong qalqala. So we say al sayasla naran zata lahab. Wamra'atuh hammalatal hatab. So when we connect lahab with the waw, it will be idgham with ghunna. After the tanween you will find waw is yarmalun letter, so that's why we make idgham with ghunna. But otherwise if you stop, so we just say lahab and then wam. So waw we connect with the meme, wam. Ra we read in heavy sound, ra. Wam ra. Atu, on the ha we stop here as there is a little voice coming. This is a stop sign, so we say wam ra atu. And in the ha we flow our air like we continue our breath. So when we say wamra'atu, and after the meme sakin there is ra, also we make izhar shafawi, right? We make the clear sound of meme. Wamra'atu. How we read correctly from the middle of the throat. On the meme we make a ghunna, hamma, and also we long here alif madda. Latal hatab. Ta we read in heavy sound. On the ba we make qalqala. So we say wamra'atu hammalatal hatab fi jidiha hablum mim masad. On the fi there is a madda letter, ya is madda, ya is coming with sukun sign. There is kasra before, we long here. Ji, here is again ya madda. Ha, here is alif madda. Hablum. On the ba we make weak qalqala as the qalqala letter is coming in the middle of the word. This is, so here we make weak qalqala. We cannot say hablum, that is wrong. Only say light sound, hablum. And after the tanween the next letter is meme, which is one of the from yarmalun letters. That's why we make again idgham with ghunna. And also ghunna sound when meme and noon comes with shad sign on it. Mim masad. After the noon sakin, the next letter again meme, we make it idgham with ghunna. But we do not read noon sound here due to difficult to read noon here with the meme. That's why the first meme we connect with the second meme directly. Mim masad. as this first noon will be converted into meme due to grammar rule. On the last dal we make qalqala. Again it will be strong qalqala now. So we say all together. Fi jidiha hablum min masad. Fi jidiha hablum min masad. I say all together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tabbat yada abi lahabin wa tab. Ma aghna anhu maluhu wa ma kasab. Sayasla naran dhata lahab. وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد. We say again. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد. So I hope you understand this. Inshallah, from here we read in the next class. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and like this video, share with your friends. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.